is a true picture, y'all, of the chicken trying to cross the road. You see it though. Look at him run. Look at him run. You can't really see it good. Where he go? He behind the bushes now, huh? You see him right there? It's a pretty little chicken too. Nice little chicken right there. He running hiding behind the bush. He hiding and shit. Say I'm gonna get him hit, he gonna run. Cock-a-doodle-doo, motherfucker! See him putting his chest out. Where you come from? It's a rooster too. Don't roosters got the little red thing on the top? Why are you poking your chest out? Huh? Poking your chest out for? You don't know what to do, you hiding and shit. Oh, this bus about to get him, watch. Don't really be scared of this bus. Ooh. Get your feet. People eat you? Huh? What, you chicken? You rooster? What you doing out here? What you doing out here? Where you come from? You in the middle of the street, walking? On the chicken scratch. On the chicken scratch. Chicken scratch. Some chicken scratch. Some chicken scratch. Get your ass across the street. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, this is it right here. Bam, bam. Damn. Got it. Damn, he got hit. Damn, you was just walking around. You done ran away from me. You got hit by a car. Mad, huh? Oh, don't get hit.